can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we are actually going to be covering the full drop list for Supreme Week 4. We do have some items coming out from the Yoji Yamamoto collab, which I actually did cover in yesterday's video. I'm going to put a detailed video about that up there. I'm going to briefly cover them in this one, but I'm going to probably just talk about my most favorite items, whether ones I'm going to go for or some that I feel like are going to do good for resale. I'm going to cover in this video right here. I'm also going to talk about the rest of the lookbook items releasing this week, and then we'll get straight up out of here. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on this one, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're trying to help me reach my 20,000 subscriber goal by the end of this year. I know that it's attainable, and the only way that it's possible is if you watching this video subscribe to the channel. It would definitely mean so much. But let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So as of lately, I've been having like this different approach as to how I do the drop list videos. I've been starting with the most hype items and working my way down to the dookie pieces. That's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. They actually did add the pipe wrench to the drop list. This shit is fire, bro, for whoever works on their cars like a handyman, handy woman, you feel me? 2020. This is a fire piece. I just wish that the branding on it was in white lettering, but then again, it would fade through time, so I kind of do like this. I'm probably gonna end up going for this piece. Hopefully it's around $50-$60. If it's $100 for a pipe wrench, they could whack themselves with it. Like, I'm 100% good on that, but I do feel like this piece could do good through time. Supreme does these items sporadically. They did the crowbar, the SOG axe, and they do these items throughout time. I feel like this is a fire piece, and low-key it would be pretty sick to have it in the collection. I do have the FTP mallet, so this would be a great addition to the collection. I just feel like building a tool set with Supreme items is pretty sick. I have the screwdriver as well, but retail for this, in my opinion, would be like $60. I was looking it up on Amazon, and the original one with no branding is $35, so this might be like around $60. I could see resale for this going for $100. It sounds crazy, but it's true. I feel like this would go for like around $100. I'm gonna cover the Yoji Yamamoto collab at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna talk about my favorite items, what I feel like retail will be, and if retail is out by the time I post this video, I'll also put it somewhere down here. But we do have some more pieces releasing, like this Gore-Tex S logo hat. This one's actually pretty clean. I feel like I have an S logo literally right up there, so I'm probably good on this one. If I were to get it, I would definitely go for the black colorway. That orange and the pale purple, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a pale plum color. Those are pretty fire. Even that navy blue is hitting, but I already have a blue one right there, so it kind of wouldn't make sense for me to spend that much money on another hat that pretty much looks identical. It wouldn't make sense. It's a fire hat nonetheless, and I feel like that's a pretty clean item, bro. We got this clear label beanie, which I feel like a lot of people are gonna sleep on this one. I feel like this is a banger. I don't know what it is about it. It just looks fire. It has like this rubber patch that has like some letters on it. It says 94 to 2020 New York City, and then it has the Supreme box logo, but it's like in this rubberized patch. I don't know how to explain it. It just looks fire. I definitely would go for the black one or even that olive colorway. Both of those are fire. I can low-key see this beanie having resale. I wouldn't guarantee it, so I don't know if I should recommend you guys to go for it. Hey, at the end of the day, go for the items that you love. I feel like this beanie is pretty clean in that black and the olive colorway. You can't go wrong with. We also have this Gore-Tex crusher, which is pretty clean, you feel me? I don't even really wear crushers like that anymore, so I'd probably end up sleeping on this one. But come like next spring, summer, this could probably go for some bread. I feel like that navy blue, the plumish color, the olive, the orange, a lot of these colors are fire. I would just stay away from the white. Y'all already know why, but these are the same colors as the S logo hat, and they actually do look clean, bro. I feel like retail for that is gonna be around 68, 64, 62, something around that ballpark. We got this scatter logo long sleeve. If I'm not mistaken, I thought this was gonna release the first week. I don't know, bro, like it just didn't release, but this is okay. I really can't see myself wearing this, and I feel retail is gonna be like $78 too, so it's a dub, bro. I'm not paying $78 for this piece right here at all. Matter of fact, for $78, this shit is cheeks, bro. Like it could low-key lick a tit.
Go and fuck a dick.
We're good on that one right there. You got these double knee denim painted pants. These shits look baggy as hell, and they're 14-ounce denim, whatever that means. I'm assuming that means they're thick with 2 C's. I do kind of like that middle colorway, but the 2 other ones, them shits, those are carpenter pants, my G. Like, where are you wearing these 2? I feel like Jacob Starr could definitely pull off that middle pair, but the other 2 on the left and the right could just take a seat completely. Like, we're good on those. We got this stripe applique short sleeve top, which I feel like low-key is a banger in that black and white color. I could low-key see myself wearing this one. I don't know if I'll end up going for it because retail's like $80. I'm not paying $80 for a shirt. That shit better be magical, bro. Like, I'm not doing it. It's just not worth it for me for a shirt. $80. No. Nope. We got the best of the best hooded sweatshirt. I love the fact that these hoodies are coming in this camo colorway. It's like a desert camo almost, and it does look fire. As far as this hoodie goes, I'm kind of good. It has some big ass branding on it. I recently got a hoodie from Supreme that I love, and I feel like this doesn't even hit that one by the cuff, so like I'm good. Like, this shit is cheeks to me. Once again, that red with the white might end up doing good in the long run, as well as the black colorway. I feel like both of those might end up doing good as time goes on. They have pretty good branding on it. It's simple and it's something a little bit different, so it might end up doing good. Retail for this is probably like $148, $158, max $168, but I doubt it. Resell would be like $200 to $220. I feel like this one won't have the best resell, but if you resell the right way, you can make some money on this. We low-key got one more item from the Droplist to talk about, and then we're gonna talk about this Yoji Yamamoto stuff. We low-key got one more item from the Droplist, and it's this Fair Isle beanie. This one comes in like low-key, this shit is getting me dizzy, bro. I don't know what the are they doing with this one right here. Like, what is going, is either you want a grid design or a stripe design. You can't have both, bro. Like, this is not the best of both worlds looking ass. Like, this is not that, bro. I don't know what's going on in this beanie right here. Let me know in the comments below, but this is looking tragic. Like, I'm good on that beanie. Let's just leave that lie where it is, because low-key that shit is ass. But I do want to say, if you guys are interested in increasing your chances at buying Supreme, you should go ahead and check out Addict.io. I'm actually gonna leave a link in the description for you to go to their website and see what they're about. They actually have been cooking up for people this season, and they're doing some major updates to their app. They're also doing this last restock, which is coming out today if I'm not mistaken, and they're not restocking for a super long time. They actually cover 85+ stores, including Kith, Supreme, Undefeated, Bape, and a bunch more, even Yeezy Supply. So if you guys are interested in checking out Addict.io, you can use my promo code ASTRO to get 10% off on your order. I do want to say that this does increase your chance. I still recommend you to go manual plus run the bot at the same time. Obviously, it's not going to cook up for every single person because not even the best bots do. I just feel like it's a great way to go ahead and boost yourself to have a better chance at buying these items. But if you are interested in checking this out, I will leave a link at the top of the description, so you can just go on their website, see what's up. If you're interested, you can even ask me any questions, but this is the last restock they'll have. Go ahead and check it out and see if you're interested in general. But let's go ahead and get into the rest of this video, then we're straight up out the building. So from the Yoji Yamamoto collab, there's like 4 tees coming out. I'm gonna pop each tee up here right now. We got the wolf tee, the portrait tee, which is like the one that looks like him or a zombie. I don't know what's going on with that one. We got the game over tee, logo tee, which is probably my favorite. I feel like that logo tee will go for bread. Retail might be like $48 to $68. I further assessed the situation, and I saw that on the tag of the shirts, it actually has the Supreme tags. It has like the same Supreme cuff. It looks like a Supreme shirt, so they can't really overtax. I feel like it's the same thing as when they did the undercover collab. They can't really do undercover prices if they're not using their materials. So if it's a Supreme tee, the highest they'll possibly go is $68, which even that is kind of steep. I could definitely say like $58. So the profit margin for this logo tee is definitely there. I could see $120 to $130 on this piece. The wolf tee is looking fire. That game over tee, which people are sleeping on, might be one of the ones to do best in the long run, in my opinion. Once again, I'm just letting you guys know what I think. I feel like these tees are really good because they come in that black and that white. There's not too many colors out there, so if you get it, you got it type shit. And low-key, the designs are hitting. There's not one of them that I'm saying like, yo, this is trash. They are fire. I feel like down the line, these definitely will do good. And if you're in this for the long run, I would recommend you to buy these tees. Just put them in the cut somewhere. I'm definitely trying to go for the logo tee tee, the wolf tee, those are both fire. I need those. There's a lot of pieces in here that are clean, like the hoodie. The hoodie is actually fire in that olive colorway. I honestly would steer away from that pinkish color personally, but the white one is fire. I just feel like the faces pop out too much on it, so I would probably end up going for the olive one. It's a little bit more subtle. You still got the Supreme branding on the sleeves. That one will definitely go for beans. I feel like 250 to 280. If retail is like 188, 178, which is what I'm assuming, it will definitely go for like 270, 280, something around that price point. I feel like low-key the collection is getting mixed reviews. It's either people love it or people hate it, but more people are saying that they do like this collab, including myself. There's two crew necks coming out, the logo crew neck and then this other one which has like a flower on it. I feel like that flower one is gonna go for beans, bro. Like that one is gonna cost a lot because it looks like it low-key has a better fabric than all the other pieces. I feel like that one will go for like 268 to 288 retail. I might be wrong, maybe 238, but retail would be higher on that piece. Remember what I'm saying, I feel like it will be higher on that piece, but resale will definitely be there when it comes to it because it's the only one that you can wear if you're not a fan of Supreme. That's one of those pieces. It's a standout piece on its own that you would low-key see on a runway somewhere. I really am a fan of it, but I don't know exactly how much I would wear it, so I'll probably just leave it be. Then we also have the logo crew neck, which that one is probably gonna retail for Supreme prices like 158, something around there. It's gonna go from like 250 to 260 resell. I feel like in the market the items that do better are the ones that have the Supreme logo, then it has the collaborators logo under it, something simple, but people do love when a shirt says Supreme. So I feel like this one would be one of the ones to do better, especially as time goes on. You definitely can't go wrong with picking up these pieces for resale or for the personal. I would definitely keep them in the personal, but hey, to each his own. That's why I talk about everything, because I feel like people are here for both things, so I feel like I gotta cover both things. The last item I'm gonna talk about from this drop list is the puffy coat. The puffy coat is hard, bro. Retail is gonna be bread, but I definitely feel like there will be resale to be made. That branding on the back is everything you need. The front is real subtle and simple. I feel like somebody who doesn't want the super loud Supreme branding would wear something like this because it's just on the back. The front doesn't even look like it's from Supreme, so it might be a plus to some of you guys. I definitely am a fan of this coat, but I don't know if I'm able to spend $300 on a coat. It just doesn't make sense in my head to do so. It's cool, you feel me? It's fire actually, but I just don't know if I could spend $300 on that right there. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, man, slap a fat like on this one down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, let me know what kind of video ideas you would like me to make in the comments below. I should have an unboxing coming for you guys tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And also, man, please go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to reach 20K by the end of the year, and the only way that is possible is if you right there in the camera, you too, you in the back, subscribes to the channel. There's a red button right down there. I heard that if you make it gray, you'll have good luck for the rest of your life. Just go ahead and subscribe down below, bro. It definitely means the world. But once again, I want to thank each and every one of you who comes to the channel and shows love. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.